Welcome to English Practice Everyday. Synonyms can be tricky. You might understand their meanings but still struggle to use them in the right context. In this video, we'll explore how to use these 13 synonyms for the word weak as an adjective in their proper contexts. We will practice them with simple example sentences that reflect everyday situations. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me as we practice. Weak. Weak in a proper context is the general word used when someone or something lacks strength, power, or energy. Weak is the general word used when someone or something lacks strength, power, or energy. I was too weak to argue back. I was too weak to argue back. Tim felt weak after skipping lunch. Tim felt weak after skipping lunch. The coffee was weak and tasteless. The coffee was weak and tasteless. The weak sunlight barely warmed the room. The weak sunlight barely warmed the room. The bridge was too weak to support the truck. The bridge was too weak to support the truck. Feeble. Feeble in a right context means lacking physical strength, often implying pitiful or inadequate strength. Feeble means lacking physical strength, often implying pitiful or inadequate strength. She gave a feeble smile. She gave a feeble smile. The kitten let out a feeble meow. The kitten let out a feeble meow. The flashlight gave off a feeble light. The flashlight gave off a feeble light. Her voice was feeble but determined. Her voice was feeble but determined. His feeble attempt to lift the box failed. His feeble attempt to lift the box failed. Frail. Frail in a proper context means physically delicate or easily broken due to age or condition. Frail means physically delicate or easily broken due to age or condition. The frail vase shattered when it fell. The frail vase shattered when it fell. The bird's wings looked too frail to fly. The bird's wings looked too frail to fly. The frail branches snapped in the wind. The frail branches snapped in the wind. The baby's frail arms clung to his mother. The baby's frail arms clung to his mother. Grandma is too frail to walk long distances. Grandma is too frail to walk long distances. Infirm. Infirm in a proper context means weak due to age or chronic illness, often used for elderly people. Infirm means weak due to age or chronic illness, often used for elderly people. The infirm patient needed constant care. The infirm patient needed constant care. His infirm legs made climbing stairs difficult. His infirm legs made climbing stairs difficult. Grandpa was too infirm to attend the wedding. Grandpa was too infirm to attend the wedding. The war left Harry physically and mentally infirm. The war left Harry physically and mentally infirm. The nursing home cares for the elderly and infirm. The nursing home cares for the elderly and infirm. Shaky. Shaky in a proper context means not steady or trembling due to weakness, nervousness, or illness. Shaky means not steady or trembling due to weakness, nervousness, or illness. She stood on shaky legs. She stood on shaky legs. The ladder felt shaky and unsafe. The ladder felt shaky and unsafe. His voice was shaky with emotion. His voice was shaky with emotion. He was still shaky after the accident. He was still shaky after the accident. My hands were shaky after the long hike. My hands were shaky after the long hike. Unhealthy. In a proper context, unhealthy means not in good health or condition, or often the result of poor lifestyle or illness. Unhealthy means not in good health or condition, or often the result of poor lifestyle or illness. The dog looked thin and unhealthy. The dog looked thin and unhealthy. Living in that environment is unhealthy. Living in that environment is unhealthy. His unhealthy diet made him feel sluggish. His unhealthy diet made him feel sluggish. The plant looked unhealthy with yellow leaves. The plant looked unhealthy with yellow leaves. She has an unhealthy obsession with weight loss. She has an unhealthy obsession with weight loss. Sickly. In a proper context, sickly means often ill or appearing unwell. Sickly means often ill or appearing unwell. The flowers had a sickly yellow tint. The flowers had a sickly yellow tint. A sickly smell came from the old fridge. A sickly smell came from the old fridge. Sickly people need extra care in winter. Sickly people need extra care in winter. His sickly complexion worried the doctor. His sickly complexion worried the doctor. The sickly child missed many school days. The sickly child missed many school days. Puny. In a proper context, puny means very small, weak, or underdeveloped, often used negatively or humorously. Puny means very small, weak, or underdeveloped, often used negatively or humorously. My arms are puny, I can't lift that. My arms are puny, I can't lift that. The puny flashlight barely lit the path. The puny flashlight barely lit the path. That's a puny excuse for missing class. That's a puny excuse for missing class. The puny kitten couldn't climb the stairs. The puny kitten couldn't climb the stairs. He felt puny compared to the bodybuilders. He felt puny compared to the bodybuilders. Delicate. In a proper context, delicate means easily damaged, needing careful handling, or can also mean sensitive or physically weak. Delicate means easily damaged, needing careful handling, or can also mean sensitive or physically weak. He has a delicate stomach. He has a delicate stomach. She spoke in a delicate tone. She spoke in a delicate tone. Her delicate health required rest. Her delicate health required rest. The delicate vase could break easily. The delicate vase could break easily. The negotiations were in a delicate stage. The negotiations were in a delicate stage. Exhausted. In a proper context, exhausted means completely worn out physically or mentally. Exhausted means completely worn out physically or mentally. After the marathon, he was exhausted. After the marathon, he was exhausted. She looked exhausted after her night shift. She looked exhausted after her night shift. The exhausted mother fell asleep on the couch. The exhausted mother fell asleep on the couch. They were exhausted from moving boxes all day. They were exhausted from moving boxes all day. The soldiers returned home exhausted but relieved. The soldiers returned home exhausted but relieved. Fatigued. In a proper context, fatigue means weary, especially after sustained effort or stress. Fatigued means weary, especially after sustained effort or stress. Fatigued muscles need rest. Fatigued muscles need rest. He appeared fatigued from worry. He appeared fatigued from worry. She felt fatigued after working late. She felt fatigued after working late. Long flights left me feeling fatigued. Long flights left me feeling fatigued. The fatigued workers needed a break. The fatigued workers needed a break. Debilitated. In a proper context, debilitated means severely weakened by illness, injury, or other factors. Debilitated means severely weakened by illness, injury, or other factors. The disease left him debilitated. The disease left him debilitated. She's still debilitated after surgery. She's still debilitated after surgery. Years of stress debilitated his health. Years of stress debilitated his health. A debilitated economy affects everyone. A debilitated economy affects everyone. The team was debilitated by constant losses. The team was debilitated by constant losses. Fragile. In a proper context, fragile means easily broken or damaged, or both physically and emotionally vulnerable. Fragile means easily broken or damaged, or both physically and emotionally vulnerable. The child's health is fragile. The child's health is fragile. The fragile vase was centuries old. The fragile vase was centuries old. His fragile ego couldn't take the criticism. His fragile ego couldn't take the criticism. The fragile peace agreement could collapse. The fragile peace agreement could collapse. She seemed emotionally fragile after the breakup. She seemed emotionally fragile after the breakup. Flimsy. In a proper context, flimsy means not strong or solid, or easily torn or broken. Flimsy means not strong or solid, or easily torn or broken. The chair was too flimsy to sit on. The chair was too flimsy to sit on. The flimsy cardboard box fell apart. The flimsy cardboard box fell apart. His flimsy excuse didn't fool anyone. His flimsy excuse didn't fool anyone. She wore a flimsy dress on a cold day. She wore a flimsy dress on a cold day. The argument was based on flimsy evidence. The argument was based on flimsy evidence. I hope the contextual use of all these synonyms is clear to you. That's all for this synonyms in context practice session. Please try to use these synonyms in their proper context in your speech over the next few days to enhance your understanding of them. Bye for now.